Go.
How many questions?
14.
For you?
Which is no problem.
Where's 2 and 3?
Emily,
Bro.
It's 2 and 3 and 4 on a graph.
What the?
I'm recording now.
Oh.
Yeah. How much do you guys think?
What?
No.
Oh, I mean, like, how much do you all boys get?
Whoa, I want to do.
I thought
I
about
don't
it
know what
and then
that
I
is.
thought how much you would enjoy that.
Wait, Miss Jordan, someone drew on this one, shall I?
Wait, please
What?
not
I
take
hate
it.
it. It's cricket.
GSB.
Stations like twice a week.
Mr. Jordan, I didn't understand.
I like stations. The only station I don't like is the one where like on the side.
What else do I have to
Tap,
do?
tap, tap, straight. That one's
No.
like I like the Wolfson one. I like the Figueroa's one. I like the
Yeah,
Shooter
yeah,
one. Those
But
ones.
it's worth it.
Use the wrong-
Once you get running done, you're done.
Yeah, that's true. That's why you want
These
to
try
run
to
half
cap
it.
it over there. So you should have said those or these here.
I feel like I'm forgetting something. What?
You are.
Minus 12.
Oh, look at that, huh? The world goes round. Wait,
Oh.
it's gonna get quick. Go,
Where's
go,
number
go.
two?
Go, put this right here.
Alright, you guys get number 1?
Yes.
Yeah, I understand.
Yes, I do have it.
Oh.
13,
Okay, I'm still, but like, why don't we do it?
15, there's 15.
15.
You guys won't.
I'm failing. So Tim is like, this is gonna be easy. Let's see how easy
Easy
it
one,
is.
two substitution.
I don't think I'm pretty good on math this year.
1, 2, whatever.
Yeah, I think
Whatever,
you
what?
can do this.
Do whatever you want.
Good job. I haven't made a C on the test yet, I don't think.
Oh, yeah, we're good.
Really?
We've only had 2 tests, but yeah, you got these on both.
Stop
I
me.
said 93. What? What's wrong with me?
Yes.
If you leave one blank, it's not that big a deal, guys.
Oh, okay.
Well, the answer is yes.
Well, when you put it like that.
Size of the game.
Yes, because you put negative 2 and equals
Uh-oh.
negative 16.
This is not
So,
gonna
like,
work well.
You give us points for attempting.
Does it not sound good?
Oh,
It
Mr. Jordan,
sounds like
what?
yes. It was like literally just like, Mr. Jordan.
Can't fix it.
No, that was not.
You give us points for
That was like a.
attempting. Is that what you're
I
saying?
get it.
If you do stuff right, yes. Okay, is it work?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, number 2
We're not gonna do all this.
Oh, we're already starting off with grad.
is right here.
I hate crap.
Done.
Hop in line.
Solve by graphing.
Oh boy.
But Mr. Jordan.
Oh, everything's messed up. Okay. This might be the best I can do.
No. It's pretty good guess. Run. See, Whitley did not feel like she was joking. Yeah. Wait, you know
They intersected a weird point. Or am I getting it wrong?
No, because I was the one who
At
did.
this point, I
I don't know how to do this. I'm not gonna lie.
Graph the lines.
I have 0.
That's a crazy statement.
I know how to do 3.
You don't know how to graph a line.
Not 2, but I can do 3.
Yeah, Gianna, it's a good point.
I forgot. Oh, we have to get a minor
You
section
just
minus
minus
x.
x.
And then divide by y, or but it's already there,
It's a
so.
normal point?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This is
You
like
should've.
each question too.
Oh my. I want to go all people.
Oh, it is. Yeah, I got
Whoa, it's probably the kids like that.
it. Whitley, how do you feel about it?
I don't like this class currently. We don't like you in here, so. You don't need help for math. I don't want to hear it. What?
I found it now. I got it. It's okay. Now that I actually started listening to you, I've actually.
So when there's nothing, you just start at the origin.
Thanks, that makes me feel a lot better.
Start
start
Yeah.
I listened
Yes.
to this one. You said that. I should
Okay,
start listening.
so where's this one gonna start?
Let's do
Where's it gonna go?
down one, left one.
No,
Just kidding. Up one, left one.
up one, left one, or down one, right one. Okay,
It's not dashed.
yeah.
And there's arrows too.
Sounds kind of. There's your help.
Okay, and then where are we gonna start this one?
Origin.
Yeah, at 0 on the y-axis, the origin. Where are we gonna go?
Down 3.
Down 3, right 1.
Or up 3, back 1? Okay,
I see the comment.
so what's the answer?
Negative 1, 3.
Yeah.
Okay, don't
It's
forget.
-1, 3.
Negative 1, 3. How could we check this?
Plug it in.
Yeah, if it works in both, just like number 1, then you know it's right.
So easy.
What's different about number 3?
They already have it.
Shake
Or,
it.
Greater than or less than?
or dashed or solid.
When you shade it, whenever you find the answer. I'm so helpful today. It's that energy drink. I feel like I have an energy drink. I think Lily hates it better. Yep. Don't know why. Excuse me, like a scrotum. The other day before I played my muscle, I looked like a rat's ass.
Oh my! That's crazy.
A rat on acid is crazy.
When you were doing what?
When I was playing volleyball.
You look like a rat on acid.
Yeah. And I just had an energy drink and I was like running all around. And I threw my jersey at her. And then she was talking for a second. She was like, looked like a rat on acid.
Oh, Corey, did you end up getting
You like this one?
What? Did you end up getting it?
Where do we
Just
start
kidding,
at?
it's very easy. Down 1, and then you go up 4, right 1.
Wait.
Shh.
And then up 4, right 1 again. Twice. Or you can go down 4, left 1.
Okay, is the line solid or dashed?
Solid, because there's a line under.
Solid.
And then you're gonna go up 3, and then you're gonna go down 2, right 1, twice. And then it's only gonna be dashed because there's not a line under there. And then you're gonna shade above that little
Okay,
area.
you guys see the 4 regions?
Yeah, so it's gonna be above the 4x minus 1, but below the negative 2x plus 3.
No. Got it right there.
Oh, I got
Okay.
the words.
The solid line is less than. Y is less than. So that means it needs to go below the solid
I'm
line.
not gonna do
So that would be like 2 or 3.
Oh goodness.
And on the dotted line, the dashed line is greater than, so it should be go above the dashed line.
It's gonna be 2.
So 2 is what they have in common.
I feel like if I get anything wrong, it's gonna be that on the test.
Is it because you can't tell the difference between greater than and less than?
Well, I can because it's the L. I just can't tell when to where it's shading.
Less than means less than, like below, less.
Hey, wait, how do you feel about the Bible test?
I'm really scared.
Does that make sense?
Because
Well,
you
I
did
get
it,
that.
you
I
did
just
it,
don't know
you did
how
it.
it's. That's
Yeah.
not less than 4x minus 1 though.
Okay, y is, this is how you read it, y is less than or equal to 4x minus 1. So if this is a less than symbol, that means you're gonna go below that line.
But it's not below that.
It's below this line. So is this. Like if this was the roof of the house, this would be below the roof. Okay, well, we get another chance because number 4 is the last one.
This is the last graph.
Yeah.
I like this. I hate Ross. Have you seen her? She's going psycho crazy over here. See?
What are you doing?
I don't even know. I have to pop my own.
You know,
I'm so scared. I'm gonna get bacteria on this one.
there was, it used to be a late night show host who'd go, ooh, ooh, ooh. That's what it reminded me of.
You sure it's not Skylar?
Arsenio Hall.
That's literally why you're dressing lovely for it. Gotcha. It's a short
My little baby Jared.
It's class color.
Okay. So this guy has the same
Did y'all
problem.
know on that chocolate show where the girl puts a gun behind her ear?
Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory?
I did that. I did that. I had to put it on my ear. I did that as a kid and got mad, and my mom had to cut a whole chunk out of my hair. Because I'm
I did that too, but then I took it out.
I was like, let me be cool real quick, and I did it.
Those
When
are
you
cool.
times it by -1, and then the sign.
Okay, yeah. You multiply or divide by -1 to get rid of the negative. When you multiply or divide by a negative, the inequality switches. Okay. On this first one, what happens when you have absolute value of x?
Left 2.
The v.
Or
What does the -2 do to the graph?
it's gonna be over 2.
Left two.
Down to.
Down
Oh.
2. Okay, if it was inside, it would have been right 2.
I get it.
Good to know. Okay, if it was inside with the x, it would have been right 2. But if it's out here, it just goes down 2.
So if
Okay.
it was like +2 inside of the thing, it would be left 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Is this solid or dashed?
Solid.
Dash.
Will use the dash? Yes. Okay. I'm sure.
Okay.
Hey, Whitley.
Hey, Corey.
Is it dash?
Yeah.
Where are we starting this one at?
-5.
Down 5. And where are we going from there?
Up to over 1. This is my problem, really.
Tab. Tab.
Is that one solid or dashed? Actually, I'm gonna make this one solid. We're gonna have to switch it so you can see it better.
Oh gosh.
Dude, how can you know?
Ew.
Okay,
Wait, why can you make that right solid?
so we can see it.
Ah.
I added these in.
Why is it so dead?
Is he gonna
Why
be
is
like
it?
that test?
I told you it's red.
Okay,
What does that mean?
So on the absolute value, it's y is greater. Hey, Skylar, this is y is greater than, so what would that be?
Above.
Hush.
Good job, Skylar.
You said
It's
Skylar
gonna-
like
so
5
X
seconds
was-
ago.
It's gonna be above.
And this one, once we solved it,
It's gonna be below.
is that just a guess?
No, it's below. 'Cause it's listening.
Are you guessing?
I get that. I just don't know where still. Like,
Okay.
I don't know where to-
So on the V, what would above look like?
below the main area.
Yeah, up here, yes. And on this line, what would below look like?
It's like over here.
Right,
Oh, so it's that little sliver.
right.
Oh.
So it's above the V and below the,
I never remember.
so yeah, that's all. I can actually shade the whole thing.
Wow. Sorry, Mr. Jordan. Gianna had ripped my hair out into red.
Rip the hair out, what?
It's red hair. I saw it in her head and I
It's
pulled it
not
out.
red.
It is red.
Come look
It's
at
just a trick of the lights.
It's red. I saw it in her hair. It's red. And I pulled it out.
Alright, and I've heard enough how you can.
It was red.
It's so
Weird.
I think it's just a trick of the lights.
What is the key?
It's dead.
Everybody called me stupid.
Jordan, look.
Even these freshmen.
It was brown and blonde,
So on number
and it's
one,
red.
do you plug in the x and the y's on -2? Do you plug -2 and 3 in? Or do you plug y in?
I was wondering on that actually. I'm not joking.
-2 is the x.
Yeah. Oh my
yeah.
god.
To be honest, not gonna lie, I'm not joking.
What's the y equals part then for?
And 3 is 1. Same thing, you have to plug -2 right here. Does 2 times -2 plus 7 equal 3?
I remember now.
Oh, I get it.
I remember that, I'm not joking.
Skylar.
Like, to be honest, not
like Skylar in English class contributing.
To be honest.
She goes,
Yeah, because I
Skylar,
agree,
shut
it's
it.
like, it's just in the story and.
Well, no, I also said how the slave owners didn't care about the slaves, and that's why.
You literally just would repeat what the person before.
That's what I did.
And you would say,
It's
"Shut
so
up."
easy. If someone said something, I just said, yeah, and like, reword it. Yeah, reword it. Why don't you count?
Well, I made a valid point. I was like, the slave owners don't care about the slaves' feelings. That's why they abuse them.
That's really valid. When you
Whoa.
missed that one.
And
like,
then
they
later
have-
on event,
That's
one
a
of the
deep
big
thought.
boys in the Civil War.
They have like no remorse.
This plumber.
You need it in here.
Get your jacket back, Skylar.
Would I be interrupted to
No, come in.
sign card for Char?
Take it.
Yeah.
Do it. Let's do it.
Here, just come sign this card for Char.
I just
She's
did
she's signing, so if you take this up, just do the back.
What day was that?
Tomorrow, party stuff. Yeah. So
Why is she
you guys
doing
can
this
right
in
here,
Yeah.
and then right here.
Why is
And you can even, I guess you're just ready to do something.
Are we starting Little Buddies next week, Miss Plummer?
We were supposed to start this week, but next week is fall break, so we'll start the fall. Because they have week here
You hoping to see your boyfriend again?
No! It's
See your
just
boyfriend.
Roman's little
Roman's
buddy
little
had a
buddy.
crush on me. Because Jordan said I had an abusive relationship with him.
She had a black eye last year at the same time.
So, Walker got his, I permed his hair on the back, and
He
then
was
I permed
so
Zane's on the
bad
front.
yesterday.
So Desiree was talking to him yesterday, because we're all living together right now. She says, Walker, how was your day? He goes, it was good. He's like, Miss Quebs likes me.
Quibs.
Miss Quebs. And she goes, well, why do you say that? She goes, 'cause she called me baby every day. She said, she's kind of like my second mom. And so it was
He's
just,
so funny. He's like, you like my perm? My Letha did it. So funny.
Did it mark? Yeah. Oh my god.
Pennsylvania is
You're
kind of
good.
your intrusive thoughts.
I think we should
How many
get
kids
Skylar
are
out
showing
of the
this?
cat.
well, as many as I can fit, and if I have enough, I'll just put, I'll make another one.
No.
Be the same thing you guys. Sorry.
Yeah, I will.
She stops for me because she knows she's my mom.
You have to bring food for me every day.
Stop. No, but like I should have lunch packed today. and I
Look,
forgot.
I have famous money please don't eat it.
I'm not joking. I packed it last night. I was looking on my phone.
See, look, you don't even get us.
And then you left it?
Yeah, I did come to so our bridge, and Leighton already made me late, so I'm already mad. And I was like, I'm not even getting it, so I just texted Whitley. I knew she had me.
What if I didn't?
I guess you got it, you have to finish up.
I have to figure out something for you. That's crazy.
Do you remember Miss Kincaid's thing, the boy, the man who had cancer?
Yeah.
Husband? Husband?
No, it wasn't her husband.
Yes, it was.
Yeah,
No,
well,
it wasn't her husband.
it was your friend, Bucky.
Bucky. Bucky.
Oh, her husband died from something.
She was the 4th grade teacher a long time ago.
Do you remember her, Mr. Husband? She had a Bucky.
No, it was her husband.
It was her husband.
Yeah, it was her friend. She also had a friend.
She did have a friend, but then her husband died after.
I saw her at Jared's one time. And I ran up and talked to her.
Lisa Kincaid.
Hey, that's enough cover.
It was like in 2016.
I'm writing after
I
Emily.
can't bring the face.
Oh, I already wrote.
She was a little taller than me,
I'm
which
ready.
most everybody is.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. And she
She
had
had
like,
blonde hair.
yeah, like, it was like frosted, kind of, you know, very sweet.
My friend is
Why?
Back
back.
in the old days. She gave me like my first bad grade on something. It broke me.
my first red card.
I never had to change a card.
I had to change my card. I never had to change. Why'd you
This is
change
all-
your
Yeah, what
card?
did you do?
You backed
Is
up?
it-
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
You can just fast forward. There's some stuff I'll have to edit out.
I'm gonna have to get
You
another
gotta be
one.
careful what you say.
Tyler!
Tyler, look, I don't have shoes
You
on.
just bring it to me when you're
We're starting a card.
I just wanna.
We're gonna go back and
Okay,
watch this.
guys, we need to get going. We're gonna run out of time.
It's Sharpie.
Yes,
Guys, go back to you. Go back to you.
No, you got that's disgusting.
Go back.
I have a phobia. I have a phobia of spit.
What?
Push it.
I guess we have to take our test on Thursday.
I do.
A phobia of what?
Of spit and bullshit. God.
she spelled something wrong even though it was right, and I was just salty.
What?
Okay, how do we do substitution? Shh, here we go.
You put a minus for the
Okay, yeah, you need a y equals,
That's all though.
and then you replace y in the other equation with whatever y is, or x equals. And you replace the letter with whatever it's equal to.
So, good job,
Eli,
all
distract me. Can you repeat that?
I think you just don't pay
Okay,
attention.
y equals this, right? So that means we can turn the y in the other equation into that.
Wouldn't it be equal negative 36 though?
So yeah,
Okay. I'll share you.
that's where you got lost.
Yeah.
Uh,
I love it. Mess up.
Does that make sense where I got this from?
Yep.
All right.
I get it.
And then you got to kind of do basic.
Your error just made me confused.
That, yeah, it was just that part right there.
Red card.
Okay, so distributive property, then what do we do? I'm not gonna have enough room with these big.
Add like terms.
Add like terms, 8x plus 3x is 11x. So if we add 36, we get 11x equals 0. You guys like these chunky letters?
I don't even eat it personally.
0 minus, or 0 divided by 11.
So x is 0. What do we do with that?
Zero.
Look at it.
What do we do with this information?
Plug it in. Plug it back in.
Okay, so 2 times 0 minus 9 equals y.
Negative 9.
So y is negative 9.
We're not gonna make it, guys.
Okay, are we good on that?
No, I need it.
I'm not joking. That made
So wait, can you talk back to like the what you plugged into the letter again?
Okay, well I got x is 0,
Okay.
so I chose one of the x's to make whichever looked easier,
Oh.
to make 0.
Okay, I get it. It's 0.
I wonder if I could shrink this after the fact. Kind of, yeah.
Stop.
I'm not gonna give you like, I'm not playing.
Okay, number 6. We're still in the substitution. What do we do here on number 6 for substitution? Shh. Guys, what do I do on 6?
I do, let's do it the bottom there. Plus 6y on that, so then you have
Right.
x equals.
Which letter would be easiest to get by itself?
Plus 6y.
This x. I'm gonna go ahead and erase that.
Yeah, it's all up in the way.
And you're not gonna make us figure out which one.
Okay, this x is the best to get by itself because it doesn't have a number attached. We just add 6y, we get x equals 6y minus 17. Now what am I gonna do with that?
Plug that back in.
So not back in.
Look at it.
3 times y minus 7.
So the top equation becomes and then you just do some normal
That
algebra.
makes much sense.
I wish you guys paid attention before the test came around. I forgot to.
Yeah. To be honest, I wish I did.
Right, Mr. Bird, you have minus 511.
That's a. Oh, okay. I thought that was a parentheses. That's probably why I erased it the first time.
You're so confusing.
Remember, you do all that, and you get the answer. Stickers? I have
Say
stickers.
goodbye to lunch.
That was funny because you're just gonna write down what I said. It's how you need that stupid pancake. I do one thing to you, and you remember it for like 80 years. You watch yourself. And you would know me every single day. Just I got you pancakes for dinner practice. She was like, no, not pancake. 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 I got you. She told me no the first time. I was like, oh, I told you about the one. You are right.
Okay, I got y is 3. What am I going to do with that?
Plug it back in. Look at it.
This one looks the easiest. 6 times 3 is minus 17.
One. Is it 1 for you?
Yeah. That was one.
One.
Really, is it 1?
I'm scared now. Even though I shouldn't be.
Okay, number 7 and 8, these are elimination.
La la la. Oh, wait, elimination's not hard.
So what's elimination mean?
You put them together.
You put the bracket.
You add them together if it's ready to eliminate. Is anything going to eliminate on this one?
Yeah, probably.
The y's, if we add them together, would go away. 2x plus 1x. 7 plus negative 19.
You have a headache because you haven't had it after
Yeah, if I don't have a Dr. Pepper.
Didn't you say you already had an energy drink?
I have one energy drink, but I don't get a headache.
Then that would be a caffeine headache, but if you already had an energy drink.
I know, I don't know why I still have a headache. 'Cause I have.
Maybe it's because you did have an energy drink.
So no.
No, that's not possible.
No, it's not. Yeah.
I didn't know that existed. Just stop drinking caffeine.
I've tried to my mom. She gets those.
I've never had one of those. Then again,
What?
I have an energy drink that's
Never had a what?
a caffeine headache.
I get them every day if I don't have something.
Okay, if I plug negative 4 back here, negative 4 minus 5y equals negative 19, and then just solve for y.
Wait. I don't get it.
I plugged it negative 4 back in right there,
I get it.
so y is 3. Alright, you good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna erase that. Alright.
Not gonna lie, that made a lot of good.
Okay, so what about number 8 though?
Well, he would.
You would multiply the top by 2.
Okay, yeah, because this is negative 2y, we would want this to be positive 2y. We
It
can.
is.
This is negative 2y, so we want this to be positive 2y.
Oh.
So we can multiply the top line times 2
I mean, yes.
to make that happen. So the top line becomes multiply all by 2. And then if I add the lines together, the y's go away.
You were a horrible whisperer. Anybody can do that.
Mr. Jordan didn't hear it.
Anybody can do what?
X equals 4. X equals 4.
Okay, what am I gonna do with that?
Plug it in.
I'm gonna put it right here. 2 times 4 is 8, plus y equals 15, so minus 8.
So if you were loud, why equals 6?
I equals 7.
Okay, by the way, this is important. How can I know for sure this is right? Okay, I kind of got the answer from plugging in the first equation, so I can check it by plugging them both into the second equation. Does 3 times 4 is 12, minus 2 times 7, 14, equal negative 2. 12 minus 14 equals negative 2. Yeah. Okay, solve by method of your choice. How many questions? We got 12 today, so we got 4 more. But this is fourth hour.
This is scary. What if I make the wrong choice?
It doesn't matter.
I know this too.
It goes out or something. Would you be like,
There is an easier way to do it, but
you go, yes.
I don't think so. I like substitute.
How easy.
A personally.
I like elimination.
I don't know why.
See, because there's y equals right there, so you just plug in for the y.
Yeah. I think it's more like.
I don't really, I don't know.
I don't think you need it. You should do substitution.
What's probably the easiest way to do this one?
Substitution.
Substitution. If you did elimination, you'd have to move a lot of stuff around. Whoops. Yeah.
I know, I'm crazy.
So substitute, distribute,
No.
what's gonna happen with that? 6x minus 6x?
Just solve that.
No. 0. You get negative 8 equals 14.
This is gonna be no
No
solution.
solution.
Oh, I hate these ones because it always makes me second guess.
What if it was negative 8 equals negative 8?
All real numbers.
All real numbers.
Infinite solutions.
Oh,
Is that
Yes.
if we put all real numbers, or, never mind.
It would be like minus 1.
Ugh. Ugh.
Okay, try number 10. I'll give you guys a minute head start, see if you can beat me.
There's more problems, isn't there?
Yep, 2 more.
2 more? I thought there was 15 questions.
Today there's 2 more.
Oh. Plus the bonus, 15 questions tomorrow.
Well, the bonus would be like 16.
I can't believe we're getting into Thursday.
What if I don't finish?
Yeah.
It's a Wednesday.
Thursday.
I'll just count it wrong, it'll be okay.
What? You're joking.
What must it be like to be Whitley?
I'm so slow.
In a
That's
constant
what's like-
state of panic.
Life is hard, let me tell you.
Can you move it to Thursday?
You know what it's like to be me?
You're like Mr. Smith. This is all the time. I think if there's a fire, you would still walk out of here.
It's the end of the world? Fine, I was getting tired of it anyway.
Picture.
You're freaking rich.
When's the last time you like dead sprinted? Like I feel like you just like levitate everywhere. You know, like,
Yeah, when's the last time you sprinted?
Or when's the last time you just worried?
I don't adults don't often have reason to sprint.
I know, but like if there's a fire, I feel like I'd be like so like shook at the thought.
Actually, I think I do remember the last time I sprinted.
What?
It was on a service day, and it was really windy, and one of the bags got away from us. And I was like, I haven't done this in about 15 years.
What service day were you on?
Same boat. When's the last time you worried about something?
Oh, I can worry.
Taxes. Tax evasion. Do you
Maybe you have a math test.
Yeah, I'm wanted in 5 states.
You
Okay,
actually fell.
how can what should I do on this one? Okay, 3 and 2 don't go into each other, but they both go into 6. So if I multiply this line by 2, what should I multiply this line by? Negative 3. Because we want one of them to be negative.
So would you risk going crazy, or would you go around that?
Depends on all.
If you had to drive around Colorado.
Colorado.
If I was going like, was in the straight middle of Colorado, I'd have to go all the way up, all the way down.
I take one of those 24, so 24 divided by negative.
I'd go straight to Colorado.
Straight through?
Oh, yeah.
Straight through?
Right equals 1.
Negative
You're gonna
1.
risk it?
Oh, yeah.
I thought you were going to get it.
Hard to
Skylar.
live in the state. If
Well, I said
stayed
yeah,
on
but you don't want the
1
answer.
Because I waited.
I didn't hear it. Okay, anyway, if I plug negative 1, let's say right, this is a y, right? Y is negative 1. Negative 9 times negative 1 is positive 9. So if I subtract 9, I get 3x equals 9.
What if you want to do that kind of game harder in their
Maybe.
Scroll.
Wait, no, go back.
If we have time.
What? Dawn?
You just do normal, you guys know how to plug stuff in. Okay.
I know, I just
Can you should put like some simple additions on the test.
Alright, the sum of two numbers is 22. How do I write that? The sum of two numbers is 22.
adding
2 and equals, oh wait.
A
plus
plus
B
B.
equals 22.
No, not this.
This is the bonus,
This
isn't
is
it?
easy.
No, this is the easy one. It's not the,
What?
it's not the AB
Not
number one.
Okay, the difference is 50.
Minus
B
A plus
equals
minus
50.
B equals 50. This is easy. This should have been bonus.
What's the easiest way to solve? This
Elimination.
is one of the easier questions on the test.
Failing mid.
B equals.
Well, that was the plan.
Oh,
No, if
shoot.
we add these,
No, it's A equals.
if we add these, no.
What?
Sub
The B's cancel out.
If, yeah, A plus A,
So A, oh, 2A.
2A.
Yeah, Gillis. See, you're gonna get me on that tomorrow.
Now I got you on it today, so that way you won't get caught tomorrow.
I don't know. I might shock you. Divide by 2.
There's not gonna be no
A
space on
equals
this,
8. No, A equals
36.
right? Oh, that's actually.
So how do I find B?
I don't know.
36 plus what equals 22?
Plug it
We have
in.
negative
36
12.
plus
Negative 14.
B equals 22.
Mr. Jordan,
What?
can you measure me with your long stick?
Not well.
Can you? Where is it?
Yardstick, you mean?
Eli, don't take that one. I don't get it. I know, where is it?
The last question.
You mean this?
Yeah, here, give it to me.
You want to measure your height?
Yeah.
We gotta finish it first.
Speed run.
Can you measure me after?
Well, yeah. All right.
Oh, is this bonus? This is bonus.
No, it's not Bob.
What?
I didn't
I
put
hate these. I hate these more than I hate
Okay.
these.
I should understand what investments are.
Bob invest. Okay, investments are money that you give to somebody, and you get a percent back as profit.
Right.
Ooh, I like money.
Okay, Bob invests $10,000 in two investments. So that right there is an equation. $10,000 in two investments.
So 2
Investment A
plus B.
plus investment B is 10,000. So maybe he put like 6,000 in one, and 4,000 in the other.
What the
Okay.
nasty
One investment, we'll say it's like investment A, gets 4% return. The other one gets 6%. If he makes $540, how much did he put in each investment? So how do you figure out how much money you're gonna make on an investment?
0.04A plus 0.06B.
You do 4% of whatever you invested, plus 6% of whatever you invested in the other account,
Equals 540.
and that would give you your profit.
I don't like this.
Oh yeah.
Okay, what's the best way
We
to
should multiply by
solve
100
this?
to get rid of this.
Substitute.
If you multiply, you could multiply the top line by negative 0.04. That would work to get rid of this.
Let's do that.
Or if you multiply the bottom line by 100, you could get rid of the decimals.
That's what we should do.
I'm gonna guess.
You don't have to, but
What do you think? I'm just
I can't make a comma with these chunky letters. I guess I did right there. Take that back.
Never mind. Where'd you get the 545? Oh.
I just feel like, why would you be rude and like super chunky?
So you
Do
want
you
to
feel like
do
that's
all
name calling? What should I call them so they aren't offended?
Ginormous backs.
They're like, oh.
Oh, how sweet.
Okay, so what do I need to multiply this?
-4.
-4. So this will be a -4a minus 4b.
Where'd you get the name?
Because this is a 4a,
Right.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
And I
we're
wanna-
gonna add them together.
we're gonna do elimination.
Okay.
Sublimation.
So now we're adding these two lines together.
Wait, so you should have made this bonus.
guess this is one of the easier ones on the test.
No, I would, no, it's probably the
No.
hardest, not bonus question.
That's fine.
So if B is $7,000, then A is 3,000.
Me.
Because altogether they were 10,000.
How come it's only 12 plus 7, 14?
On the test, there's actually
Why not?
Because I don't know.
What? Hey, why don't
I
you
used to go my guts to the word column so I can finish writing them.
Oh, are you gonna measure me though?
Actually, Corey, can I just look at your pen?
I'm
Wow,
gonna
you
get my
have
five.
I wish I shoot.
I remember at the start of Mustang Pride last year, so you couldn't bench the bar. We had to give it
How tall do you think you are?
5, 6.
What, have you seen me? I'm like,
Your shoes are probably
half the size.
I remember the first day of Mustang
With the
Pride,
shoes, I'm 5, 6.
he goes up to the bar, and you can't do it. So coach gives him the like 20 pound.
It's, no.
There's
no way you were at this, I was like, inches shorter. There's no way Skylar's 2.5 inches shorter.
It's because she's in the
Okay.
back.
So this is 6 feet tall right here. Basically Sky.
Wait, can I see your color?
Here, wait, let me
That
put
is
my
not
head in
Skylar.
the bit where my-
That's
where my head is.
Skylar's up here, she's 6 feet. So if you were 5, 6 is right there.
I'm a little shorter, I'm like 5'5".
And so that this is
That's 5'5".
You're 5'5".
I'm literally look, my head is like, my.
This is 5'2" right here. I think you're a little bit.
How did you get squeezed?
You are not that tall. Okay, move.
I'm 5'4". I was right, that's literally where I was sitting. That's more
You're not
You're the
5'4".
only one that has
more
a
than
reaction.
Yeah, but
Corey
you should
Skylar
get
was
like
like
a
screaming.
No. So how tall is this right here?
You're wearing thick shoes.
No!
You should like.
Hey, look, is that
I bet you're 5'2".
We are.
No worries.
The others all walk away.
Oh my goodness. What? Isabel's gonna go get measured. We'll see how those results come
So
out.
I'm 5'5".
Bye, Mr. Jordan.
I'm trying to train
So this
Kawhi Leonard. I'm trying to train
Spacey
Kawhi
Jack.
Leonard in my